video. I never planned this video. This was like last minute, last minute. So guys, hopefully you guys like. If you're a hair revamper, you will know that trusting me is Baba of all Babas. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, guys. My name is Iwari and welcome back again to the channel. So guys, today's video is gonna be something interesting. We're gonna be doing unboxing. So here I have this huge bag here to unbox, and we have this other box. So guys, I will be unboxing hair care products and also styling products. So guys, if you want to like my video, subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, guys, to always get notified anytime I upload. So guys, we're starting with this one. Can you guess what it is? Can you guess? Can you guess? Can you guess? Okay, I don't have a pair of scissors, so I'm going to be using this to unbox this. So so guys, I finally got this canvas block head in 22 inches. So this is how it looks like. Okay, so next I will be unboxing this one. I'll be showing you guys all the products that I got. So first on the list is this cute brush. And this is my best color, guys. I so love it. It's cute and it's small. Then next I got this relaxer set. I got this relaxer set to for bleaching of front house. So this is for application of the bleaching onto the wig, and this is to mix, and this is the mixing bowl. So guys, relaxer set. So next I got this small cute tape. So guys, next I got this seam ripper. If you're a wig maker, this is quite important for you to actually loosen the hair from the nets. So this is quite important. If you're a wig maker, you need a seam ripper. It makes your life easy. Then next I got these tweezers. Then I got some C needles for wig making. That's how it is. It's a curved needle. Next I got this rattle comb. It's very strong. Next I got this wig cap. I just got one piece. Next I got elastic band. If you're a wig customizer, you would know. If you customize frontals, you know that this is quite important for holding the hair in place. Then I got bobby pin. Next I got these control pins. It's a pack of 12. Next I got these scissors for cutting thread. It's quite important for cotton thread or lace from your front palm. Next, I got this argan oil heat defense leave-in spray. I got this stock cap. If you're a hair revamper, you know that Tresemme is Baba of all Babas. So guys, I got this Tresemme conditioner and shampoo. The one I got is for the conditioner. I got this silky and smooth Tresemme conditioner, and I got this rich moisture shampoo. So guys, these two products, if you don't have any other product, these two products can actually do the job for you if you're a hair revamper. But it's on the pricey side. If you're starting up, you don't need this. You can actually go for smaller ones. Then when you upgrade, you can get this. Then I got this brush, edge control brush for styling edges. Then I got this hair net for styling, invincible net. Then lastly, I got bleaching powder and developer. Rapid hair bleach in Pearl Brandy, and also the same brand, but this is the developer, 12%. So guys, I would be reviewing this product very soon on this channel, so guys, watch out for that. So beautiful people, that's the end of everything I got. That's the end. So guys, you can actually contact me at Adeena.hair. I am a hairstylist, and also I do revamping services at Adeena.hair. So guys, you can actually DM me here or go follow up my page. I will link it here, and I'll also display it on screen, so guys, you can actually contact me if you're in PortHarcourt City, and I will do my best to deliver. So guys, thank you for watching, and you know the drill, guys.